Me mama nyina akwaba bio ya senhia de dikan me da mu nyina say mo a ma subscribe to this channel na mo kro mu dendenden sa channel be kwa anim no nyame nhira mo wonso a wota ahwe me na won subscribe nyame nhira na mo bomadi ansa be dey over subscribe na do notification bell no beto so unhusa se be ya de didi so no sabeka enti ena recipe a me do be che e simple send ya me kan ba ko na ti say 1 2 3 na mo no we the healthy option e bia na people food and so per wholemeal flour here we are one of your favorite your third your people food nti ana ye per option with it nti ma me no go through new man no wa hase enti dia me wa hase e 300 grams e wholemeal flour massive so I kama and I weigh a quarter teaspoon of salt and I weigh 1 sachet which is 7 grams of yeast and I weigh say a light brown sugar and also 70 grams. Weigh I am a fresh nutmeg ametri so a 1 teaspoon and I weigh 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract optional so about the kahwa a kama and I weigh I means you lukewarm water Brofrot and no 300 milliliters. And to say you be a wash me first one, obehu sensio no reduce weigh more kakra because wholemeal flour no a chain plain flour nti bomodian so be use 300 milliliters a lukewarm me share me microwave for bare 1 minute long for that temperature. Nti ye me ye nyina ne say send me can ba kon me de salt no egu ase so na me de sugar no de nti a de bia me de me salt and also the yeast ne begu ase e come in contact with each other e ma o make sure na wo ye no and rising temp nti no say me de me flour no so e kan na fe me yeast no e 1 sachet na fe na me de egu so na fe wo de nutmeg no so fresh one e na nti a try and say baby I made hey agro me sha ase nkwa nso ni hwam na afi waka ni nyina afra so ani ti bomodian say wo be brown sugar but any brown sugar wo betumi use white one okay say maka me dry ingredient ni nyina aye da afra na afi wa botokro na wo hwie wo 300 milliliters nsuo ni nyina egu so na fe o do vanilla extract no so o di aka na fe waka ni nyina ni nti se maka ni nyina afro nti bomodian se wo be kan no be 5 minutes bi so se be activate yeast na ma so na ni hwam na me so try recipe we ya o use plain flour crab you kama kasa so se maka ni nyina afro no mani say titi we ni nya efriso enti wa ho ya make sure na mewie yo na afa o de o clean film ai de afas enti say I won send ya mewie me de clean film na afa so enti me de si o na tu na de me say me mana ya double rising me mana rising na ma say no na san rising na afa ya beche na ne dem ya to aso say I me Brofrot mine double rising one who send I have very light and fluffy ti no ani say me di me nsa bones you so na afa why de wate na de ato so what the two one and your page up and naturally someone I had do come on what she said I am very light hey on send the air bubbles won't be very light now Jan me medium low cry say be ya enshi nso na me who say wholemeal minty aduane na akombo sei na odandan Once I come, Madame Dana bear 5 to 6 minutes. Tomorrow, Johnny, your brow. A year go so come. To me, Chedia can, yeah, cheers. Shell. Hey, Brofrot ra me de brow. She. Where am the nyum twan ka mi hu nyum. Yeah, twaso. Twan so ben kama for yini. Ti me yi na fi edim komo. Enti Brofrot na e kama yo. Eh wi, abi bubi mo nchiro. Eh. Asani I kama. Wholemeal one. When you say I now heard myself, see how dear Jam, make brand me and the What try we are? Only plain flour crab, and myself raising crab put here. Come on, Papa. Neither. Until then, one vanilla name a nutmeg and the wholemeal and come and see what and try. Until them DJ or 80 when I send my last video, Mother's Day, the American about the movie was here share, say I can't send us and chili na unsafe him, Sana Merman so. Mocha say, a man and so, Mobashe him crying, yes, your support to Yancy fee. So I'm not DJ. I love you, God bless you.